Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Sounds and Vibration over here and tap on Vibrate. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. You can also tap on Sound and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Unique to switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. After that, scroll down, click on Call Vibration Pattern and select one of those patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one, or disable it completely by choosing Silent. After that, go back and do exactly the same for your notifications. Then click on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right on this slider. Then go back, choose System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to all of those features to switch on or off vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!